We're here with one of my longest subscribers and followers to connect the Innovv system to her bike. It comes with left and right indicators and the actual motion sensor system. This is what's inside of the box. Really simple, plug and play, looks like. Let's get it installed. You want to connect the motion sensor itself to the back of the license plate. Really simple and easy. Just mount that bolt in one of the license plate bolt holes. Then they have this little mount. Once you screw the mount in place, connect the actual motion detector sensor right to the mount. Simple, easy process. Couldn't have made this thing much easier for the people to install. Just tightening everything down now. Okay, she can't find the hole, but yeah. Alright, that's good. Connect to the battery, positive and negative. Just tightening everything down now. Now, put in place the indicators. Peel the strip on the back. Place it in a flat place, wherever you feel comfortable putting yours. She's gonna put hers right here on her handlebar. We both thought it was a nice and comfortable place. You gotta wipe it again, you touched it. Simple as that. Just push it into place, hold it. Yep.
Perfect.
Step back and try it. Step back. Okay, yep. Just trying it out, looking for a red light. Yep, there it is. Now she's trying it out, looking for a red light. Peace. Yep, there it is, both sides. This is how her setup looks. Tidy the wires up in a second. The sensor on the back, very simple to install, doesn't block your plate. Wires hide and tuck really easy. Just getting some work done on the bike, so we'll tuck those wires in later, but this is how it's gonna look. Thank you to Innovv for sponsoring this video, and if you want one of these systems, head over to Innovv.com.